welcome back to the channel. All right, today is another glorious day here in Arkansas, and what we have is I've got my C5 and my drag and drive C5. Now what we've got done, we've got the headers installed, X-pipe is installed, the mufflers have all been plumbed out, and I got a Vararam cold air intake on there, and then I got the Fidanza short throw shifter put on there. So tomorrow it goes in for a tune. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and baseline it. I'm going to go ahead and run it again, baseline it against the stock baseline, and see what difference it makes just without any tuning, but just the headers, the exhaust, and the cold air intake put on there. So we'll go ahead and take that out for a run, and we'll see what we're going to get out of this guy. But first we're going to get the really awesome cold start. So we'll get that started up. Still not great, but a little better than before, right? I think you can actually tell that the cutout side is a little louder, so whatever. Still have my oil leak that I can't figure out. So when it goes in for the tune, I'm going to ask them if they can take a look at that also, because I cannot figure out where it's coming from. So let's go ahead and head out to the secret spot, and we'll see what this guy will run now. We are back, and I am still having trouble with my draggy. I'm not sure what the problem is with it, so no video there, but did get the performance thing to show up. So we ran a 1344, so not bad. I mean, the temperature is 54 degrees, 467 feet of elevation, gives us a DA of 299 feet. Ran a 1344, 60 foot was 225, 1,000 foot was 1130. So let's go back and look at the previous run. Had a 60 foot of 253, 1,000 foot of 1194. So quite a difference. Obviously, I think a lot of that 8th mile 880 is compared to 934. So yeah, all in all, pretty good. 13.4 at 101. So yeah, I'll take that. That's all right. Pretty good improvement. Can't wait to get the tune done, see how that will impact this, and wow, what a smudge. Sorry about that. Yeah, I can't wait to get the tune done. Car goes in tomorrow for a tune. I'm going to have to address the driveline. Clutch really was not happy with this last one, so we'll have to take a look at that. Probably we'll look at some gearing, stuff like that. But yeah, I think hopefully if I can get into the 12s, which I think is possible with better clutch, different gearing, a tune, stuff like that, some shocks, some improvements there, I think we'll easily be able to get in the 12s, which will be not going to compete for anything for sure, but it certainly is going to be decent, right? I mean, I think it'll be a fun little car and something that will actually not be totally embarrassing on the drag and drive event. So all right, so that's where we're at today. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like if you like this video, and next video will be probably after the tune, and then we'll show what the tune results were. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.